Includes. This glass bakeware set contains 1.5-quart rectangular loaf dishes. The classic dish for the classic loaf. Durable. This tempered glass bakeware set is microwave, preheated oven, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Plastic lids are BPA-free and safe to clean on the top rack of dishwasher. Safe. Anchor Hocking baking glass is healthier than metal and plastic. It will not warp, stain, retain smells, or leach dangerous chemicals into food. Use your Anchor Hocking glass in gas and electric ovens up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit without browning element, although you should avoid sudden temperature changes. 5-year. Backed by a protective limited 5-year, this tempered glass bakeware set promises to impress for many years to come. Made in the USA. Included components. Anchor Hocking 1.5-quart premium loaf dish, set of 2. Oven Basics 1.5-quart glass loaf dish set of 2, all the same size. Anchor Hocking Oven Basics bakeware is classic in shape, bakes evenly and cleans easily. The oversized capacities are perfect for cooking and reheating. Safe for oven, microwave, refrigerator, freezer and tabletop. Made of soda lime glass in the United States. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Very reasonable and extremely durable product. The construction and finish of this product are excellent. I have bought and used Anchor Hocking glass cooking dishes for numerous years now. I long ago got rid of all my steel baking pans for these glass ones. I like the durability and ease of cleaning of glass, and they don't rust after going through the dishwasher every time. I think the price is fair and they last for many years. All I do with these pans after cooking something like lasagna crusted right on the pan is put in the dishwasher with my regular dishwasher tablets without any rinsing, and they come out beautiful. I highly recommend this product.